Yeah, how do you find the meaning? Gimana? I open my phones to search the meaning. Kalau misalkan ada HP.
Yes.
Jadi apa jawabannya?
If it's difficult, I search the meaning in
My dictionary. Kan nggak boleh bawa HP ya?
my dictionary.
Your dictionary. Okay. Alright. Then what else ya? What's your name again? Farhan. Do you study Arabic every day? Do you study Arabic every day? Yes. 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 Apa? Yes, I do. Yes, I do study Arabic every day. Why? Why you study Arabic every day? Kenapa?
Because I want to catch.
I want to be able. Kalau misalkan saya mau bisa ya, be able.
I want to be able
to speak
Arabic.
In Arabic misalkan, in Arabic and in outside. What you wanna say? Apa yang mau kamu katakan? Di luar negeri, abroad, overseas bisa. Luar negeri ya. Study abroad, abroad ya. Luar negeri, overseas juga bisa. Overseas. Oh, because I wanna study abroad to continue my master degree. Misalkan, oh saya mau belajar di luar negeri untuk melanjutkan S2 saya, master degree. Kalau S1 bachelor ya. Bachelor degree. Bachelor degree. Who wanna get a bachelor degree here? Siapa yang mau dapatkan S1 di sini? Anyone? No, I mean like you want to continue your study to get bachelor degree in anywhere. Ada yang mau lanjut S1? Yeah, all of you ya, hopefully. Why you was dialogue each other? Kenapa saling tatap-tatapan? It's okay. In here, in abroad ya, as long as you get a benefit ya, sama kalian mendapatkan manfaat. It's okay. Why not, right? Okay. I wanna make an absent first. Asad. Present. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Saya mencuci piring pagi hari.
I wash.
Piring apa piring? Nah, plate.
I wash a plate in the morning.
Tadi pagi ya, in this morning bisa. Nabil.
Present.
Oke, apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Saya belajar bahasa Arab supaya saya memahami perkataan orang Arab.
I study Arabic language for
To memahami
to understand
orang Arab,
Arabic speaker.
Arabic speaker, perkataan, word. Jadi apa dari awal?
I study Arabic language to understand word Arabic speaker.
Arabic speaker said bisa said apa yang dikatakan gitu ya. Said. Word itu kata. Tapi kalau mau perkataan bisa pakai what people said, apa yang dikatakan orang-orang misalkan. Wafi, where's Wafi? On the way? Absent? No, nobody knows. Alright.
Maybe it's busy. Maybe it's
Yes, busy. Sibuk. Oh, but he haven't yet come to me, right? To ask permissions or what? Yeah. Okay. Yusuf.
Present.
Okay. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Saya belajar bahasa Inggris supaya keren.
I study English.
I study
I study English.
supaya keren.
To
Supaya terlihat keren deh. Terlihat apa? Tuh. Supaya terlihat keren. To look cooler. Look ya, look bisa look. Ya, look cooler, cool. Ya, cool itu keren, cooler lebih keren ya. Harfa,
present.
present. Oke. Coba. Nah, di mana? Apakah kamu tahu di mana sapu?
Oh, what you know? What you
Do pakai do.
What you
Do you know
do you know?
Where?
Where do you know where?
sapu apa? Sapu apa ada yang tahu sapu? Dari B. Broom. Do you know?
You know? Do you know what?
Where berarti ya.
Where? Do you know where?
Where the broom? Where the broom is ya. Nah, teman-teman kalau misalkan ada kata-kata could you tell me? Could you tell me? Misalkan where? Misalkan lagi ada di luar negeri mau ke toilet nih. Could you tell me where the toilet is? Nah, isnya di belakang. Bukan di setelah ini. Where is one. Kalau mau langsung bisa pakai where is the toilet. Tapi karena di sini sudah didulukan dengan pertanyaan, maka di sini jadi sentence biasa aja. Ya, could you tell me where the toilet is? Sama misalkan, could you tell me what the meaning of this word is? Nah, tadi kan isnya di depan tuh. Jadi intinya gini, kalau misalkan sudah ada pertanyaan di depannya, ya di sininya itu auxiliary-nya di belakang, gitu simpelnya. Semuanya sama kayak gitu. Could you tell me? Terus do you know? Kan do you know itu pertanyaan ya. Do you know? Apakah kamu tahu where my brother is? Apa artinya where my brother is? Nah, where my brother is. Coba apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Siapa lagi nih? Novan. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Oke, ini ya. Ini apakah kamu tahu? Artinya do you know? Kalau could you tell me, bisa kamu memberitahu saya? Coba, bisakah kamu memberitahu saya di mana Wafi berada? Could. Nah. Where Wafi is. Nah, gitu ya, simple kan? Ini bacanya could aja ya, could, K-U-D, could. Sama kayak would, yang would itu would ya, would. Sama kalau pakai would juga bisa. Would you like to, kalau ini mau menawarkan ya, offering misalkan ada orang datang, orang bule, kelihatan kesusahan, wah, nggak tahu jalan, kalian tawarkan offering ya. Would you like to, misalkan to go to where, misalkan would you like to go to this restaurant gitu. Maukah kamu apa? Would you like to go to the restaurant misalkan? Would you like? Maukah kamu misalkan? Would you like to menawarkan minuman? Drink the coffee. Ya, maukah kamu minum kopi? Would you like to drink the coffee? Nawarkan sesuatu ya. Oke. Zikra. Present. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Itu motor kakakku.
It is.
Pakai that ya.
That is circle.
Motor apa motor? Motor? Cycle.
Cycle.
Itu motor kakakku.
That is my.
That
is my big sister.
My big sister apa?
Cycle.
Motorcycle. Ya, bisa atau bisa gini. That motorcycle motor itu ya belongs. Kalau belongs itu kepunyaan ya, jadi nggak usah pakai s. Belongs to my sister. Belong kan suka mungkin suka ini ya, suka pernah dengar ya belong. Kalau misalkan di kereta-kereta kan biasanya ada dua bahasa ya, ada bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Inggris ya. Please take care with your belongings. Nah, tolong perhatikan bawa barang bawaan Anda. Nah, belong di sini itu artinya kepunyaan. Belongings berarti sesuatu apa-apa yang kalian punya. Belongings banyak. Nah, kalau misalkan that's motorcycle, ini misalkan buku. This book belongs to me. Buku ini kepunyaan saya. Nah, atau bisa this book is mine. Belum belajar ya yang mine gitu-gitu ya. Ya, jadi kalau I kepunyaannya habis ya ini I itu subjeknya ya. Kepunyaannya apa? Mine. Misalkan pintu itu punya saya. Arfa apa bahasa Inggrisnya? The door is mine gitu ya. Coba Nahwa, meja ini kepunyaan dia. Meja ini kepunyaan saya. Bahasa Inggrisnya? Kamu kan dari sana, berarti the table is mine. Gampang ya kalau main ya. Kalau you apa you? Jadi yours. Punya yours. Nah, spidol ini punya kamu apa? Evan? Marker. That marker
is yours.
Is yours ya, is yours. That marker is yours. Yours. Coba Farhan ya. Pensil misalkan. Pensil hitam ini punya kamu. Ini hitam kan? Apa?
That's black pencil
Ya.
is yours.
Ya, gitu ya. Black pencil is yours. Kalau misalkan Al, pensil hitam dari kayu ini punya kamu. Kayu itu apa? Wood ya? Wood. Atau panjang deh, panjang, jangan hitam. Jangan kayu, panjang. Panjang apa? Panjang? Long ya, long tall ya, tall tinggi, long bisa. Tapi kalau pensil kayaknya tinggi ya, bukan panjang ya.
That
Hitam apa hitam? Black.
That black pencil.
Pensil hitam panjang ini punya kamu.
That black pencil.
That long black pencil
That long black pencil
is
yours.
Oke. Jadi ada ya di sini teman-teman. Ini boleh dicatat singkat aja, nggak akan saya jelasin satu-satu. Jadi ketika misalkan mau menyebutin sifat dari sebuah benda, itu pertama yang harus didahulukan ya. Opinion, sini ada opinion. Ini ada shape. Enggak, size dulu ya, size. Size, shape, and then color ya. Color bisa pakai O, bisa pakai our, color tulisnya. And then nationality atau enggak brand, and material terakhir di sini. Habis pulpennya, spidolnya habis. Material. Nah, ini nationality ya. Nah, bukan gitu saya. Nah. Nationality color. Nah, tadi pensil panjang hitam. Size itu apa size? Ukuran ya? Opinion itu pendapat ya, misalkan beautiful, handsome. Nah, ini didahulukan. Shape itu apa shape? Bentuk. Misalkan bentuknya apa nih? Kotak. Nah, color apa? Warna. Nationality atau brand, misalkan oh dia dari Indonesia, apa-apa. Materialnya berarti ini terbuat dari apa? Misalkan kalau kertas terbuat dari apa? Dari pohon apa dari kayu? Pohon, wood ya. Kalau kayu itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Ya. Nah, jadi kalau misalkan saya bilang gini, pensil kecil panjang hitam milik kamu. Pensil kecil, kecil small, panjang bisa pakai tall, panjang hitam black milik kamu. Jadi apa? Nah, ingat pensilnya itu paling belakang. Nah, di sininya ikutin urutan. Panjang, small dulu berarti karena size ya. Ya, small, small, tall, black pencil milik kamu. Is yours ya. Nah, size shape gitu ya. Kalau size kan kayaknya kalau panjang tinggi boleh masuknya ke sini ya. Shape. Sebetulnya nanti ada ininya apa penjelasannya. Ini di opini nanti ada dua. Ada yang opininya spesifik, ada yang spesifik, ada yang general. Kalau general contohnya kayak ganteng. Kalau yang opininya spesifik orangnya suka misalnya suka sedih gitu ya. Nah, pokoknya kalau untuk sementara ini dulu yang diapelin size, shape, color, nationality sama materialnya ya. Oke, coba Keiza, mana Keiza? Where's Keiza?
He is sick.
He is sick. Okay. Iqmal? Okay. What the English of buku putih tebal ini milik kamu? Buku apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Tebal apa? Thick. Thick ya, thick. Thick tebal putih apa? White. Nah, jadi gimana? Thick ini masuknya kemana? Tebal. Nah, size. Berarti buku tebal putih apa? Itu buku tebal putih itu. Atau ini deh, biar gampang. This
thick white book is yours.
Nah, this thick white book is yours. Nah, ini kalau yours ya, teman-teman. Kalau we apa we? Ours. We. Terus you, they ya. Their apa? Theirs. Nah, betul. Theirs. Misalkan buku-buku ini milik mereka. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Rahmat. Buku-buku ini milik mereka. This nggak usah pakai ada lagi. These books
is there.
are theirs. Ya, are theirs ya, gitu ya. Nah, untuk sekarang ini dulu aja. Karena kita mau ke D4 ya. Coba dibuka D4-nya guys. D4 apa D3 sekarang? D4 kan? Iya. D3 udah semua kan ya? Alright, no repetition ya. Gak usah diulang. You just write it down what I pronounce. Apa yang saya ucapkan. Diligent. Nomor 1 diligent. How to pronounce it? Diligent. Nomor 2 lazy. Number 2 lazy. Smart. patient, honest, helpful, kind, teacher, friend, person, behavior, knowledge, goal, process, important, together, believe. Oke, repeat it together guys. Coba sama-sama. 1, 2, 3.
teacher, friend, person, behavior, knowledge, goals, process, important, together, live.
Alright, I give you 3 minutes to learn about this new vocabularies. Saya kasih waktu 3 menit untuk dipelajari ya arti dan bahasa Inggrisnya apa. Start from now, come on. Oh. Alright, time's up guys. Okay. Iqmal, what's the meaning of smart? Pintar. Rahmat, what the meaning of a good teacher? Guru yang baik. Nahwa, what the English of teman yang baik hati? Kind friend. Okay. Arik, where's Arik? He is sick also. Okay. And then Novel. What's the English of proses yang penting? Important process. Okay. Coba Yusuf, what the English of teman saya malas, sangat malas. Teman saya sangat malas.
My friend lazy.
Apa? Auxiliary-nya mana? Lazy kan ini adjektif. Teman saya sangat malas. My friend
My friend
is
is
very
very lazy.
very lazy. Ya. Coba Nabil. Teman saya memiliki perilaku yang bagus, yang baik.
My friend is
Mempunyai apa? Mempunyai.
my friend
Have.
helpful.
My friend mempunyai behavior, pakai behavior, perilaku yang baik.
My friend have a good behavior.
Good behavior. Nah, sama ya guys. Kalau selain Dewi Ayu, pakainya has. Ya, karena nggak mungkin kita pakai haves. Bukan haves ya jadinya, tapi jadinya has ya. Nah, kalau my friend pakainya apa? Have atau has? Nah, has. Jadi my friend has
Has a good behavior.
behavior. Oke, coba Farhan. Teman saya kalau pagi malas. Teman saya, ya teman saya di pagi hari malas gitu aja.
Is lazy in morning.
In
In the morning.
in the morning. Oke. Coba Zikra. Teman saya jujur, tapi kadang-kadang bohong.
My friend is honest, but sometimes it
Bohong. He is.
but it is
Oh, bohong belum tahu ya. Lie. Lie. Kalau yang bohong namanya apa baca ini? Liar. 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 Oke. Sekali lagi coba. Asad. Apa ya? Teman saya suka menolong. Tapi teman saya suka menolong tapi males.
My friend is helpful, but he is lazy.
But
Is lazy.
he is
He is lazy.
he is lazy. Okay. Alright, daily article guys. Open daily article. Buka daily article. Repeat after me. A diligent student is a smart person. Oke. Apa artinya Arfa?
Dia adalah murid yang pintar.
A diligent student, seorang
Seorang murid
yang
yang
rajin,
rajin
is a smart person, adalah
adalah
orang
orang yang
yang cerdas. Oke. To get knowledge, we must be patient in the process. Novan, apa artinya? Knowledge, pengetahuan. Get apa get?
Mendapatkan pengetahuan, untuk mendapatkan pengetahuan
Oke.
kami
We, kita,
kita
atau kami,
kami harus
patient,
kami harus sabar kami harus sabar di dalam proses.
Okay. My teacher is very kind and helpful. Nabil, apa artinya Bil?
Guru saya sangat baik hati dan suka menolong.
Okay. I have a friend. He is honest and never lazy. Novel, artinya apa, Val?
Aku punya teman, dia sangat
Anas apa Anas? You?
jujur
He is jujur, ya.
dan tidak pernah.
Tidak pernah. It is important to have good behavior. Apa artinya Farhan?
Ini sangat penting untuk mendapatkan
Have?
atau mempunyai
Ya.
perilaku yang baik.
Ya. Jadi tadi ada 2 poin ya, mempunyai apa namanya guru yang kind and helpful and a friend that honest and never lazy. That's very important ya. Sangat penting ya. Itu mereka itu sangat to have, dan juga Good behavior is very important. Apa good behavior? Perilaku yang baik itu it is very important. Sangat penting. It's very important. We study together to achieve our goal. Ikmal apa artinya?
Kami belajar bersama-sama untuk meraih tujuan kami.
Untuk ya berarti ya. Kalau coba we-nya diganti sama she.
She studies together.
No together. Kan dia sendiri.
She studies to.
She studies alone.
She studies alone to achieve her
Yes. Her
goal.
her goal. I believe we can be successful.
I believe we can be successful.
Oke. Yusuf apa Yusuf?
Saya yakin saya yakin kami bisa sukses.
We can be successful ya. Kita bisa sukses. Alright. That's about the article ya. So you may take a look at the article. I give you 3 minutes and then after that I'm gonna ask you questions regarding to the article. Saya kasih waktu 3 menit untuk mengetahui ya. Pokoknya intinya aja dari artikel ini apa. Nanti saya tanyakan contohnya misalkan what's the teacher attitude? Apa perilaku gurunya penulis misalkan. Oh, he is very kind and helpful. Nah, gitu ya. I give you 3 minutes and then don't look the article after that. Setelah 3 menit nggak boleh lihat artikelnya. Louder guys. Alright, let's start ya. I wanna ask Al, what the writer do to get a knowledge? What the writer do to get a knowledge?
To get knowledge,
The writer,
he must
sabar.
he must patient.
He must be
He must be patient in the process.
in the process. Okay, good. What the teacher attitude? What is the teacher attitude? Nabil.
The teacher is kind and helpful.
Ya bisa. Kind and very kind and helpful. Okay. Why the writer should study together? Farhan. Why the writer should study together?
To achieve how to share.
The right bisa subjeknya dipakai dulu. Why the writer should study together? Kenapa penulis harus belajar bersama?
We must to study. We must study together.
So you are the writer. Yeah.
He must study together to achieve
Achieve
his goal.
his goal ya. Atau they, pakainya they ya. They study together to achieve
They
their goal. Alright. So what's his friend attitude? Novan. What is the friend attitude? Apa attitude dari temannya penulis? His friend attitude
His friend attitude
is nggak pernah bohong apa?
is
Jujur berarti. Honest and
helpful.
nggak pernah malas.
And never lazy.
Never lazy. Alright, that's all ya. Okay, so right now we are practice to speaking challenge in the part 3 ya. Jadi you are gonna watch that with your partner again like previous day. Seperti hari yang kemarin, kalau kalian berpasangan dengan temannya, those that didn't have any partner, maybe can join to the other group ya. Kalau nggak punya partner boleh join atau boleh sama yang nggak ada partnernya lagi ya. So start from right now, you drilling this dialog. Jadi latihan dialog ini setelah beres, teman-teman boleh dua. Satu pakai magic card buat drilling lagi. Yang kedua mau ngobrol apa aja out of the topic di luar daripada konteks ini boleh ya. And then I'm gonna to your circle one by one ya. Saya akan nanti mengunjungi circle kalian satu-satu. Alright, start from now. Come on. partner ya. So you don't have any partner ya. Okay. So you may choose. Boleh milih. You join with whom? Mau join ke mana? Or you can drilling with me first. You can drill with me. I'm sorry. Excuse me. All right. Ask the question. Louder, guys. Louder. Come on. Be enthusiastic. Yeah. Check.
Are you a diligent student?
Yes, I am. How about you? Are you a diligent student? Yeah. No, not like this context. Yeah. So we can chit chat. Okay. But you can take a look this context. Yeah. But I answer with my language. Okay. You understand me? Alright. So start from now.
Are you a diligent student?
Yes. Inshallah, I'm a diligent student. How about you?
Yes, I do.
You are a diligent student. Why? Why make you a diligent?
Are you a
Because I used to, because
your teacher right?
I use my time to study every day.
Every day. Wait a minute. So I ask you about kenapa kamu rajin ya? Jawabannya saya menggunakan waktu. Oke. Kenapa kamu rajin? Why you are diligent student? Yeah.
Because I want to achieve my goal.
What's your goal then?
I want to
Lot. You want to have a lot of knowledge, right? So by studying English and studying Arabic, right? So is Arabic difficult for you? Is Arabic difficult for you? Apa kemarin? At the first,
there is difficult, very difficult.
okay.
What the English
Hah?
what the English
Perlahan, slowly bisa, gradually bisa, slowly. Ya.
It at the first that is very difficult, but slowly I can speak Arabic fluently.
Yeah, fluently. Also, right now you already speak Arabic fluently, right? So, how long you spend your time to learning only Arabic? It's around berapa? Mungkin sekitar berapa? Artinya tahu kan tadi? Ya, sekitar around.
It's around years.
Around 3 years. Oh. So you can be able to speak Arabic around 3 years, right? Okay. So which one is more difficult, English or Arabic? Which one is more difficult, English or Arabic? In my opinion, apa artinya in my opinion? Menurut saya, opini saya, opinion itu opini. Ya,
In my opinion,
oke.
English,
English, ya English is
difficult.
is difficult. Berarti kan kalau mau compare berarti more difficult, pakai more. Karena ada berapa? Ada 3, difficult. Nah, kalau ada 2 pakainya er, harder. Nah, English is harder bisa. Dengan er aja. Kalau mau apa komparasi ya? Tahu komparasi kan? Membandingkan. Misalkan English is harder than Arabic, for example, atau English is more difficult. Kalau lebih dari 2 syllable-nya apa suku katanya pakainya more. Repeat it again, please.
In my opinion,
Okay.
English is more difficult than Arabic
Then Arabic, okay. Because
because the word we
apa? Say bisa.
we say the word
I want to watch again.
Yes, here it is.
It's okay. Chatting. Take your time.
because the word because we say the word
What time is it?
Every day. Hah?
because we say the word of Arabic
Every day. Arabic word bisa langsung aja. The word of Arabic bisa juga ya. Arabic word of Arabic. Arabic ya. Words-nya pakai words-nya. Arabic words. Kata-kata yang banyak kan bukan Arabic yang banyak ya. Arabic kan cuman apa menyifati dari kata-katanya ya kan. That's all. Alright. So you can choose the group and then you can involve. Involve tahu? Involve itu apa ya? Involve itu kayak ikut berkecimpung lah, berkecimpung ya di in other group, okay? Alright. So keep drilling with your friend. Yeah, you are welcome.
I want to be led. Oh, I don't want to be led.
So you are still in here in the dialogue? Masih di dialogue sekarang? Which one? Which dialogue? The first one, right? Second one? All right. Okay. So I give you a context based on this this dialogue, yeah. So this dialogues like this. So you are didn't have much time, right? And then nggak punya banyak waktu ya. It's because the time is show that you have to join the class. Karena waktunya itu sudah menunjukkan kalian harus masuk kelas, right? And then you are asking your time that because you don't know, you don't bring your watch. Kamu nggak bawa jam ya? And you ask your friend. And then how you ask your friend about the time? Please ask your friend. I will gonna close this one.
What time is it? I don't want to be late.
Okay.
It is 6 o'clock.
No. Use that clock. Yeah.
It is 4:55.
4 apa 3 itu? 3 atau 5? 55. Yeah.
It is 55 o'clock. We must go to the class now.
Alright. So right now you ask him, yeah, about the time, right? But because not because the light, bukan karena terlambat. Because you want to attend, kamu mau mendatangi sebuah acara. Because I want to attend the event. Yeah.
What time is it? I want to attend. I want to attend the event.
It is 3:55 o'clock. We must go to the event.
The event. Oke. Udah ya, ini udah kemarin ya. Ini udah. Sekarang kalian ngobrol. Out of the context. Di luar dari konteks boleh. Yeah, it's okay. For example, I give you about the study plan. So you ask him, how study plan? Rencana studi. Yeah. So you ask him, and then you ask each other ya about the study plan. For example, kamu habis ini mau ngapain? Habis beres dari Al-Baja mau kemana? Coba bahasa Inggris lagi sama dengar. Sebisanya aja, sebisanya. What's your plan? Misalkan, what is your plan?
What is your plan after
Graduated
in Al-Baja Islamic Boarding School?
Nah, bertanya apa nih habis beres dari sini?
I want to go
Mau kemana? Mau kerja? Mau lanjut studi? Atau mau apa? Abroad, luar negeri. In where? University. Oh, Unisba University. Are you from Bandung? Oh, you are from Bandung. Ah, okay. Unisba, alright. Berarti gini. Tadi I want to continue my study. Continue itu apa? Melanjutkan my study apa?
Pelajaran pendidikan itu.
Ya, pembelajaran saya. Kemana nih? Tuh Unisba. Misalkan apa Unisba kepanjangannya? Islamic Bandung Islamic University or Unisba. Okay. So you want continue your study to Unisba, right? After graduated. Graduated itu tuh lulus ya. Graduation apa? Kelulusan. Graduated berarti telah lulus. Nah, graduate berarti akan lulus, will graduate. Sekarang you ask him. Man.
What are you planning?
What is your plan
What is your plan
after graduate? Ya, graduate atau after done. Dan tahu kan dan beres kan, kalau dan sudah ya. Dan kalau gampangnya after done apa yang sudah beresnya study berarti. After done is
what is your plan after done in
ya boleh, after done study in
Al-Baja Islamic Boarding School.
I wanna continue my study in university in Turkey University.
Oh, in abroad ya, study abroad. Yeah. So what grade are you in right now? Kelas berapa sekarang? Both of you? You are already graduated from high school or junior high school? Beres dari SMP atau SMA? Right now, sekarang? Or SMA? So both of you already graduated from high school? Udah beres SMA? Or still in high school?
This year.
Huh?
This year.
Oh, this is last year of being high school. Oh, I see. Alright, okay. Alright, so you can continue. So when you forget or confused, bingung about the word that you want to say in English, just ask me directly. Misalkan ada bingung, tanya aja langsung ya. Bahasa Inggrisnya ini apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Because this is practice, okay? Don't really memorize the word. Gak usah terlalu menghafalkan, tapi memahami aja ya. Coba kata-kata yang lain. Understand?
How to say setelah
melakukan apa? I have done apa? Misalkan saya habis makan. After it, misalkan saya sudah makan siang gitu misalkan. I have done makan siang. Had berarti I have dan have makan siang lunch. Kalau makan pagi sarapan breakfast, makan siang lunch, makan malam di dinner. Nah, beda-beda ya, agak beda-beda ya. I have done it lunch. Ya, I've done, saya sudah. I've done itu saya sudah beres. Tapi kamu nggak tahu waktunya kapan. Pokoknya intinya udah. Tapi kalau tahu waktunya jam berapa, misalkan kemarin, nah itu pakai I did, did. Nah gitu. Itu tensesnya beda lah. Paham?
What the English of mandi?
Mandi, take a bath. Bath. Take a bath. Ya. Take a bath ya. Take a bath. Bath itu kasur ya. Oke. You've done, guys? Done? Of you already done? Is there any questions regarding to the word or what's that? The meaning of the English or the English of what? Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan tentang bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Karena udah jam 4 nih.
What the English
Of
punya siapa?
punya siapa ini? Pakainya whose ya. Misalkan whose book is this? Whose buku siapa ini? Nah, whose ini gini ya. Whose book is this? Misalkan whose book is this? That book is mine. Okay. Whose book that is? Whose book? Whose book? Whose itu punya siapa? Ya. Whose book that is? It's yours. Alright. Okay. Itu whose ya. Ada lagi? Is there any question? Okay. Saja. Only bisa. Satu saja. One only. Oh, how's that? Contoh gini. How many water that you want? Berapa atau how many water that you order? Berapa air yang kamu order, kamu pesan? One only. Ya, one only. Only one bisa juga, satu aja gitu ya. Or just one, bisa pakai just juga. Just one. Only just one. Bisa juga. Just juga bisa also ya. And then again juga ya. Also juga as well juga bisa. Ya. Tuh juga, tapi O-nya 2. Tuh. Ya, tuh. Misalkan saya juga senang bertemu dengan Anda. Nice to meet you. Nah, nice to meet you. Ya. Atau enggak, saya juga punya buku ini. I'm also juga ya. I'm also bukan I too have. I have this book too bisa. Kalau mau pakai also, I have also this book bisa. Also too juga bisa. I have this book as well bisa. Bisa pakai as well too sama also. As well lebih ini sih, lebih keren aja sih. As well too sama also. Also ya. Also. Ada lagi sebelum kita tutup? Any question? Ya, question ya.
If out of keluar dari out on dan masuk ke
Out of the topic berarti keluar dari topik. Kalau misalkan masih di dalam topik, in the topic aja mas. Still in this topic.
is the English of masuk ke
Masuk.
enter in.
Bisa pakai enter, bisa pakai come. Misalkan masuk kelas, come in ya, atau join the class. Enter the class. Kalau enter the class itu literally maknanya sesuai ya. Tapi nggak lazim lah digunakan come to the class, join the class ya. Gitu. Ada lagi? One last question sebelum kita sholat. Opinion ini opini, pendapat ya. In my opinion, misalkan in my opinion this marker is very good. Menurut opini saya, spidol ini sangat bagus. Opinion. You asking about the translation, right? Artinya kan, bukan cara penggunanya kan? Oke. Soalnya kalau di sini opinion itu banyak. Ada yang tadi saya bilang, di sini ada yang spesifik, ada yang general ya. Terus apa lagi opinion sama apa? Shape. Shape ini bentuk. Misalkan bentuknya oval. Square apa square? Ya. Terus circle. Ya, circle lingkaran. Ya, cube ya atau cube apa cube? tabung. Nah, terus ya pokoknya bentuknya misalkan. Udah ya, shape. Terus apa lagi tadi? Udah. Nationality, misalkan orang Indonesia apa? Indonesian. Orang Korea? Korean ya. Gitu ya. Kalau orang Brazil, orang Brazilian ya. Kalau Dutch itu orang mana? Dutch. Dutch apa? Bukan Spanyolian, Dutch ya. DUTCH kalau nggak salah ya. Dutch. Are you Dutch? Apa kamu orang Spanyol? Dutch. That's all ya. Oke, last question. Apa?
What's the English of maka dari itu?
Maka dari itu apa? Maka dari itu because of that bisa ya. Because of that. Nah, kalau because beda ya. Because aja sama because of. Nah, kalau because ini harus sama subjek. Kalau because of ini harus noun. Because of this material apa misalkan. Kalau ini yang apa subjek yang because I bla bla bla. Nggak bisa pakai because I apa, nggak bisa. Walaupun noun di sini bisa sebagai subjek ya, tapi benar-benar noun bukan pronoun ya, gitu. Paham? Oke. Alright, that's all about our material. So hopefully it brings you the new knowledge and practical. Okay, before we close our sections, please recite Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for attend. So let's pray together, guys. Tadi yang nggak masuk 2 orang ya? 3 orang ya? Wafi, Keiza sama Arik. Wafi, Keiza sama Arik sakit ya? Oke.